Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the HR module of XpertERP to look at a critical step in the performance review cycle, authorizing custom appraisal forms. Once your team has submitted their evaluations, it's up to you to review and finalize them to ensure everything is documented correctly. Let's jump into the system and see how it's done. First, ensure you are logged into the HR module of XpertERP. On the left-hand side menu, look for the Reports drop-down menu. Click that and then select Custom Appraisal Forms. You are now looking at the master list of all custom appraisal forms. You'll see their current status and level of completion here. Scroll through or search to locate the specific completed form you need to authorize. Once you've found it, simply click the View button on the right-hand side. Take a moment here to carefully review the responses. If everything looks accurate and you are satisfied with the feedback provided, click the Authorize button. A pop-up will appear. This is your opportunity to provide your final comments for the record. Once your notes are in, confirm the authorization by clicking Yes. The form is now officially authorized in the system. If you need a physical copy for your files or to hand over to the employee, just click the Print button located at the top right corner of the page. And that's it, you've successfully authorized a custom appraisal. It's a simple process that ensures your team's performance data is locked in and ready for reporting. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more XpertERP tips. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.